Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a pumpkin loaf recipe for you guys. The great thing about this recipe is that it is very healthy, it has no sugar in it, and it is super low calorie. So each slice is only 130 calories, which is amazing. So my goal with this recipe and this video is to provide those that are on a weight loss journey with an amazing fall treat that they can enjoy without having to compromise their weight loss goals and their weight loss progress. So yeah, if you guys don't like to use sugar alternatives, because in this video I'll be using a sugar alternative that is 0 calories, you can always go ahead and use regular sugar. Just keep in mind that the calories will run a little bit higher, but that's not the end of the world. Do whatever you're comfortable with, but I personally don't mind using the Swerve sugar alternative, so that's what I'll be using today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I want to start off by just giving a quick ingredient breakdown. So to start, for sugar, I'll be using this Swerve, the ultimate sugar replacement. This is a 0 calorie sugar alternative, and it's great for those on like a calorie deficit or a weight loss journey. So this is 0 calories, like I mentioned, and it's great because it tastes, bakes, and measures just like regular sugar. So I'll be using that today. And then I have some baking soda, I have some salt, as well as some baking powder. And then for spices, I'll be using this pumpkin pie seasoning, as well as some cinnamon, of course. And then I have some eggs. I have 2 large eggs here. And then for the toppings of the cake, we'll be using some pumpkin seeds. And then I also have some water. You're going to need water for this recipe. And then I have some buttermilk. This is a great alternative to oil. So I replaced half of the oil amount in the cake, or in the loaf, I should say, with buttermilk. So it's great, it's low calorie. And of course I have some canola oil, and I have some pumpkin puree, of course, and some flour. Alright you guys, so I just took the loaf out of the oven and it is looking beautiful and perfect. So mine baked for about 55 minutes. So I'm just going to let this guy cool off a little bit and then I will cut it into slices and show you guys the final product. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys want me to film more recipes like this where I show you guys healthy alternatives to creating really delicious treats, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it, and comment down below any suggestions on what you guys would like me to bake for you guys or cook for you guys. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. And I just want to mention that the entire recipe in terms of the ingredients and directions are all listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!